welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Ruby and today I'm thrilled to show you that we have plenty of GLS and GLX Plus Tritons in a range of colours and transmissions, being the manual and the auto, currently in stock. Now they are a 2019 built, but they're model year 20, so they are the most current model as well. Please, this is the perfect time to buy, so please consult your accountant and ask about the instant asset write-off. As of March 12th, just passed, that instant asset write-off was increased from $30,000 to $150,000 per asset. So please ask your accountant about that, because this is the best time to buy a work vehicle. Please call us on 9907 0555 to check the availability of models, transmissions and colours as well. These are going fast, so please check availability as well to save disappointment. Now what we're going to do is take you around for a walk around of the exact car that you inquired on.
Berwick Mitsubishi, my name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this MY20 Mitsubishi Triton GLX Plus. Now starting at the front, I'm going to walk you through the features. It is almost a new car, so condition wise I'm not going to spend any time at all on it. It does present like new because it is new, but feature wise you do get that big bold front end facelift that the new Tritons get, with that chrome Mitsubishi badging standing out right in the middle there. Big plastic front grille there, and you have got nice sharp headlights with a projector beam which does give you a very clear beam of light. Now down here you have also got your indicators and fog lights with the plastic surround. Being the GLX Plus, this is a beautiful work vehicle, very well set up, and it is a good looking ute. Now if you want to come around the side with me, I'll just show you the design of the new Triton. So as you can see, very well designed on the front end with that big bulky look. You've also got those nice alloy wheels with those all-terrain tires on it, and now the new MR Tritons do get a bit of a lift, so it does sit a little bit higher than the previous models, which is awesome. Considering it has been lifted, they have added a much larger side step, so it is awesome for those of you who need the extra assistance getting in and out of the vehicle. I've got the indicator built into the quarter panel there. You have also got plastic side mirrors and door handles. Quite often the parts that do cop the most amount of scratches, especially on the work side, so it is good to know that it's not going to cost you much at all to replace that. Having a look on the inside, awesome setup for work. You have got vinyl flooring, which means if you did want to spray it out with a hose, you can do that quite easily. I've got nice bolsters, nice comfortable fabric seats there, and that is your seat lean plus the height adjuster as well. Now closing this back up, on the back here, the back seat design of the Tritons is very comfortable. Once again, you have got the vinyl flooring, and up on the roof being the MY20 GLX Plus, we will show you inside. You do get air conditioning there as well. Now the back of the Triton, the back of the cabin is actually called your J-line, so that is iconic to the Mitsubishi Triton range, and that does make your back seat very comfortable. So just here, when you are sitting where your hip flex usually sits, they have leaned the seat back a little bit, which means your seating position is very comfortable. It supports your knees, pulls your knees back, it gives you a comfortable leg room, and it also makes it a comfortable lean backwards as well in comparison to a lot of the competitors which have quite a vertical back seat. It does also mimic the angle of a car seat. If you wanted to put one in there, you have got ISO fixes on two of the back seats, and it also gives you a shorter wheelbase, which means the turning circle in these Tritons is class leading, 11.8 meters, which means it's a very easy car to drive. Now coming around the back of the vehicle now, camera person squeezing past the tail light there, but the big tailgate, very well designed here. You do get a massive tub in these Tritons. A reverse camera built into the tailgate there makes it very easy to park along with your rear parking sensors, and when you do have a tow bar fitted, that you can actually see it in that reverse camera, so it does make backing up to a trailer very easy. As you can see, plenty of tub space here, and you have got tie down points all along that tub. Now if you did want to get a genuine Mitsubishi tub liner fitted, please do ask us about it, because it will prevent any damage to your tub. And the Mitsubishi tub liners are awesome because they have cutouts for those tie down points rather than adding extra tie down points and taking up more space in the tub. Now nice tail lights here with the LED light in them. Fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, which means it is a safe side, and you can go ahead and use your high flow diesel if you wanted to fill up. Now as you can see, it is a beautiful vehicle and you are going to be using it for work, so ask us about the accessories we have available, ask us about the darkest legal tint. We are coming up into summer, so the premium tint we offer will help you protect your vehicle, keep it safe and keep the inside nice and cool, especially if you are doing long drives to work. Now what we're going to do, guys, is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine that actually powers this beast. Alright guys, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 2.4 litre turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine, and it has got a 6-speed automatic gearbox, making this an awesome vehicle and giving you plenty of control when you are towing or even just driving around the worksite. ANCAP safety rating, especially on a GLX Plus, is 5 stars, which is awesome to know, especially in a double cab ute. The power output from the engine is 133 kilowatts with 430 newton meters of torque. You also get a diesel fuel tank which holds 75 litres, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 7.9 litres per 100, and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 949 kilometers from a full tank. Alright guys, taking a look inside the Triton now. On the driver's side door, you do get all your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Now on the right hand side of the steering wheel here, you have got the toggles for your power mirrors. You've also got a couple of your MY20 safety buttons. So you have got your stability control, lane departure warning, and forward collision mitigation. So if you want any more information on those systems, please ask us because we will go through it in detail for you. On the right hand side here, you have got your fog lights, indicators, as well as your dusk sensing headlights. So they turn on when it gets dark, so just leave it in auto. The car will decide when it needs to use them. On the left hand side here, you have got your rain sensing wipers as well as your washers. Once again, just leave it in automatic. You do get quite a nice vinyl steering wheel in the GLX Plus, means wear and tear is going to be very minimal. On the right hand side here, you have got your cruise control as well as the menu function for the display between the clusters. You have got your media controls and hands-free call functions on the left hand side. Now in the center display, I'm just going to pop the car in reverse quickly and show you. You do get a nice reverse camera there where you can see the rear bar, so very easy to back up. And the lines in the camera are 500mm at that red line, then 1 meter, 2 meters, and 3 meters back. So it does give you a very easy time reversing. Now, the display in this vehicle does give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means it will run Google Maps off your phone, plus Spotify for music or whatever other app you use. You also get your calling and texting functions up there, but if you prefer to just listen to your traditional radio, you have got AM, FM, and digital radio options. Down the bottom, you have got your climate control, so you set your temperature with the one on the left, press auto, and the car will regulate that temperature throughout the vehicle. Down here you've got your hazards button. You have also got a few blank buttons with your parking sonar and rear diff lock. So if you wanted to add anything extra to the blank buttons, you have got the option to. Down here you have got your HDMI, 2 USB inputs and a 12-volt socket, and under there again a little bit more storage. The gearbox in these Tritons is very comfortable to use, so nice throws in that shifter to put it in reverse. Do push down in the shifter and all the way to the left. I've got your Super Select 4-wheel drive system behind here, so you can switch between your high range gears while driving up to 100 kilometers an hour. And you have got 2 cup holders and a leather wrapped handbrake. The center console, when you open it up, there is a 12-volt socket in there as well. Back here there's some storage if your backseat passengers wanted to keep their phone or something. And if we have a look up top, as you can see, it is Mitsubishi's newly designed revolutionary air conditioning system. So it does take the air from the front and circulates it around the back seat as well, so you know everybody in the vehicle is going to be very comfortable. What we're going to do now, guys, even though it is very, very comfortable in here, let's jump outside and wrap up the video. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning Triton. As you can see, the new design for these Tritons is absolutely incredible. It is an awesome ute. It is a beautiful drive, gives you plenty of ability to tow as well. Being a Mitsubishi dealership and considering the savings you're getting, ask us about accessories because we're going to help you customize this vehicle to however you want it set up. If you plan on doing off-roading, if you plan on using it for work, whatever it may be, let us help you with some accessories and get you set up before you drive out. Now, one thing I would highly recommend, if you are planning on keeping it for a long time or you do a lot of driving, ask us about the Platinum 1 program because you might be very impressed by the level of cover it actually offers, along with the 10 years of premium roadside assistance, plus 5 years up to 200,000 kilometers on top of your existing 7-year new car warranty. It's a great way to keep your car protected for the long run, and it is good peace of mind for you as well. The other thing I would highly recommend, if you do care about your paintwork, ask us about the glass coat because it is going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork, prevent bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization, and much, much more. Now, although these things are additional costs, we can work it into your finance for you. So do ask us about our finance options. Julie and Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance and tailor a package to suit your needs, which will work in all your accessories, the car, plus your protective options. And if you are buying it for a business, the new instant asset write-off of $150,000 is something you are going to want to ask your accountant about, because they will encourage you to buy a Triton in this time frame, because it is an awesome time to buy a new vehicle. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 990705555. But before I go, check out our Google reviews. 4.8 stars and over 1,000 reviews from customers all over Australia does show that you are dealing with a good dealership, buying a good quality vehicle, and we are going to look after you from start to finish as well. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this walk around video, and I hope you have got a lot of information about it, but it is time to go, so thank you so much for watching.
Guys, thank you again for watching the walk around video on these beautiful 2019 MY20 Mitsubishi Tritons. We really do look forward to helping you further in this, taking advantage of this offer. Just a couple more things before we go. We are a franchise Mitsubishi dealership, so we can help you out with all genuine accessories, from bonnet protectors to tow bars to canopies, anything you need to really make these cars yours. Once again, that number to call is 9907 0555, and don't forget, Berwick Mitsubishi, love that experience.